Did you know some of the most controversial and powerful gadgets in the world are just a click away on Amazon? From hacking tools to covert spy devices, these banned gadgets are still up for grabs. Like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech content. The WiPhone is a revolutionary device for anyone who values privacy and independence. Unlike traditional smartphones, it operates on its own network, free from big tech surveillance. With encrypted communication and open source software, it's a favorite among journalists, activists, and adventurers. The minimalist design focuses on functionality, offering calls and texts without unnecessary bloatware. It's not just a phone, it's a statement against mass surveillance, perfect for off-grid living or escaping digital tracking. The WiPhone is a tool for those who prioritize freedom over convenience. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, and its long battery life ensures reliability. A must-have for privacy-conscious individuals, it costs $300. Meet the FLIR Zero, a pocket-sized multi-tool that feels like something out of a spy movie. This gadget can read and emulate RFID cards, control infrared devices, and even perform Bluetooth and Wi-Fi attacks. Inspired by tools like Proxmark and Rubber Ducky, it's a playground for ethical hackers and tech enthusiasts. Its playful dolphin mascot adds a quirky touch to its serious capabilities. The FLIR Zero is perfect for learning about cybersecurity or testing your own devices. It's compact, versatile, and endlessly fun to experiment with. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this device offers something for everyone. A true Swiss Army knife for the digital age. You can buy one for $169. No, never lose track of your valuables again with the GF07 Mini GPS Tracker. This tiny device offers real-time tracking with impressive accuracy, making it perfect for cars, bikes, or even pets. Its magnetic design allows it to attach easily to metal surfaces, and its compact size ensures it stays discreet. With long battery life and a user-friendly app, it's a reliable tool for everyday use. Whether you're tracking a lost item or monitoring a loved one, the GF07 delivers peace of mind. Affordable and efficient, it's a must-have for forgetful adventurers. A small gadget with big potential. For $30, what if you could uncover hidden cameras and spy devices with a single gadget? The Cloud Scanner makes it possible. This portable device is designed to detect hidden cameras, wireless signals, and other surveillance tools. It's perfect for travelers, Airbnb renters, or anyone concerned about privacy. The Cloud Scanner uses advanced RF and lens detection technology to sweep rooms thoroughly. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, and its user-friendly interface ensures anyone can use it. Whether you're in a hotel room or a meeting space, this gadget gives you peace of mind. It's a must-have in today's world of increasing surveillance. A small investment for protecting your personal space. You can buy one for $70. Imagine a robot so small, it can explore places humans can't. Welcome to the world of insect-sized microbots. These tiny robots mimic the agility of insects, allowing them to navigate tight spaces and perform tasks like surveillance, environmental monitoring, and search and rescue missions. Inspired by nature, they're equipped with advanced sensors and cameras. Used in industries from archaeology to disaster response, they're revolutionizing how we explore and interact with the world. And it costs at approximately $500. What if you could see heat itself? The FLIR One Pro makes it possible. This thermal imaging camera attaches to your smartphone, turning it into a powerful tool for seeing the invisible. It's perfect for home inspections, outdoor adventures, or even ghost hunting. The FLIR One Pro captures stunning thermal images, revealing heat signatures and temperature differences. It's used by engineers, firefighters, and DIY enthusiasts alike. With its easy-to-use app and compact design, it's a game-changer in thermal imaging technology. A must-have for anyone who wants to see the world in a whole new way. You can grab one for $400. What if your watch could test and analyze Wi-Fi networks? The ESP8266 Wi-Fi Deauther watch does just that. This sleek black watch is more than a timepiece. It's a powerful Wi-Fi testing tool. Powered by the ESP8266 chip, it can deauthenticate devices, scan networks, and perform penetration tests. It's a favorite among cybersecurity professionals and tech hobbyists who want to understand Wi-Fi vulnerabilities. The watch's discreet design makes it easy to carry, and its functionality is unmatched. Whether you're testing your own network or exploring Wi-Fi security, this gadget is a must-have. A unique blend of style and tech innovation. You can buy it for $70. A clock that sees everything, literally. The Spy Clock camera is the ultimate covert surveillance device. Disguised as an ordinary wall clock, this gadget records high-definition video and audio. It's perfect for home security, office monitoring, or keeping an eye on your surroundings. The Spy Clock camera blends seamlessly into any room, making it virtually undetectable. Its easy-to-use interface ensures anyone can operate it, and its long battery life ensures reliability. A clever tool for those who value security and discretion. Whether you're protecting your home or monitoring a space, this gadget delivers for $100. Never lose signal again, even in the middle of nowhere. The WeBoost Drive X ensures you stay connected. This powerful cellular signal booster is designed for vehicles, amplifying weak signals to provide reliable connectivity. Whether you're on a road trip, in a remote area, or just driving through a dead zone, the WeBoost Drive X keeps you online. It's easy to install and works with all major carriers. Perfect for travelers, truckers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It's a lifesaver for staying connected on the go. A must-have for anyone who values uninterrupted communication. It costs $500. What if your necktie could transform your voice into anything from a robot to a movie villain? The Moontie voice changer makes it possible. This sleek necktie hides a built-in voice modulation system, allowing you to alter your voice in real time. With multiple effects like deep bass, high pitch, and robotic tones, it's perfect for pranks, presentations, or just having fun. The discreet design ensures no one will suspect your tie is also a gadget. It's powered by a rechargeable battery and connects easily to your phone or microphone.
This is a test of the voice changer, male to female.
This is a test of the voice changer, male to female.
Ever wondered what's happening on the other side of the wall? The wall Wiretap lets you listen in. This covert listening device amplifies sound through solid surfaces, making it possible to hear conversations clearly. Used by law enforcement, private investigators, and curious homeowners, it's a powerful tool for surveillance. The wall Wiretap is compact, easy to use, and highly effective. While controversial, it's undeniably fascinating for its ability to reveal hidden sounds. Whether you're solving a mystery or ensuring your own privacy, this gadget is a game changer. A tool that brings the unseen world to your ears. It costs at approximately $100.